Hi and welcome to another video. I'll be showing you another project which me and my team made. Basically, we also designed it and developed it. We designed it in Figma and developed it in ReactJS. I will show you how the website works and what is the purpose of the website. Basically, this is the starting point. Basically, the color scheme was given to us by the client and the images was given to us by the client. As you can see that the images are not very clear, but the client said that they will only be using these images. I asked them to provide like more pixelated images, but they did not, so we just edit these images. Other than that, the design and development of all these website is done by me. You can check the website is pretty big. I'll just show you the landing page and what it's about. Basically, it is related to kitchen or bath, you can say a renovation kind of website for kitchen and bathrooms, right? So there are like cupboards in the kitchen which usually breaks or something. They are sometimes the wood is not very pretty good, so like they have to be renovated after every couple of years. Same for the washrooms, include for tiles, for like for stuff related to drains. Some of them it needs to be fixed, so the website is related to something like that. Basically, this is the contact form of the website where you can type your name, email, phone number and your message and send them a message. You can book your like appointment and they will come to your house and they will fix it. For example, if you they like something is messing up in the bathroom or anything like that, or you want to achieve, or you are building your new house for example, then you can call them and they will be like they will come to the place and like fix or give you the design. How like basically they will convert your design into reality. It's simply what you can say about it. This is some of the testimonials for different clients. If I scroll down, you can see the different stuff related to the website. This is also designed by me. Everything is designed by me. This is also a blog section where you can check different blogs of the website, and then there is a footer. So basically this is pretty much sums up the website. If you like the content and if you want us to make any of your sites, you can contact us or on WhatsApp and we will love to work with you and we will convert your design into reality. One thing I'd like to mention here is that we take advance payment because we have a lot of projects in queue. We cannot work on website without getting the advance payment. So if you can send advance payment, only then you can contact us and we will love to work with you on your idea. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel and I will see you guys in the next video.